two old BUSH SRP31D valve record players I've serviced and got working, made 1964, so they're at least 50 years old now. I've got a couple of 45s on there. Now, connecting them up in stereo, they've got stereo cartridges in them, but the left and right are normally connected together and just fed through as a mono. But by unplugging the plug at the back and connecting a lead into the other one, and you unplug there and plug in the socket at the back, using strangely like a TV aerial connector, you can play it in stereo if you've got a stereo record, or in this case mono, just get a much better sound. So I found a record that I can put on YouTube without them pulling it for copyright reasons, and I just demonstrate the sound. Can't play the second one because they'll pull it for copyright, but it just shows you the auto changer working. Very nice sound, very bright. Bass is slightly muffled, but when you put the top down it increases the bass nicely, but clarity is excellent. 50-year-old record players still can play your records on them. So I've got a stereo record on the deck, an LP, and we'll see what it sounds like.
snakes behind the door. Cause a uniform is something for a man, need an extra something, but it can't do what a funky monkey can.
Pretty vibrant sound actually. Good enough to dance to.